Hi, my name is Josette Desrosiers, owner of California Hair Extensions, Salon, Academy, and Hair Loss Center. It's been so long since I posted a video and I've missed you guys a lot. But here, I'm back and I'm going to be posting a lot of videos. So if you take the time to subscribe to my channel, that will be great. California Hair Extensions is now offering a 4-day wig making class. Lace front wigs are more popular than ever before. And not just among celebrities, but women of all walks of life are starting to wear lace front wigs to improve their look, make them feel good about themselves, and just change their overall appearance. Many people, like myself, like to buy or make lace front wigs because we want to have the ability to switch off our styles. Lace front wig has become the new accessory, like a purse or a new outfit. And you also have the ability to switch your style every day and have multiple looks. If you would like to increase your income monthly by thousands, then this is definitely the class for you. As a custom wig maker, you can make anywhere from $700 to $1,000 per wig, and that's on the lower end. And if these wigs have special features that your client needs, those prices can definitely increase. At California Hair Extensions, we will give you the knowledge and the skill to become a custom wig maker. There is a variety of reasons why people buy lace front wigs. Some people buy lace front wigs because of certain medical reasons, such as chemotherapy, alopecia, or another form of hair loss. Other people buy lace front wigs simply because their hair is not long enough or their hair might not be the style that they want to have. So purchasing a lace front wigs gives them the best of both worlds. I've had the pleasure of making wigs for my clients, myself, which is so much fun, and other people for about 10 years. So I have 10 years of knowledge under my belt. And I'm not gonna brag, well maybe I'm gonna brag a little bit, but I've been taught by the best. So I want you to learn from the best how to make custom wigs and how to get into this wig making industry, because there's so much money to be made. This hands-on wig making class includes breakfast, lunch, all the tools you need to make each wig properly, a curriculum, and a certificate of completion. Now at the end of your class, after 4 days, we normally have a champagne toast to celebrate your success. Just for people who are coming to my class, who are going to take the wig making class, or if you're going to be flying in or driving into my class, I suggest that you make room because all the tools that you're going to need are going to be fit into a big box. And that is for you to take home to master your profession, to master your wig making class that you're taking here at California Hair Extensions. The list goes on and on. You are going to get everything you need to make a custom wig for anybody with any type of solution. Me, I've been a wig maker for about 12 years now, and I'm so excited about this class. A lot of students have asked me, Josette, do you offer this class? And I'm just like, I'm ecstatic because now I'm offering it. All right, again, please subscribe at my channel below, and all the information that you need, detailed information about the class, what each day you're going to learn, all that kind of stuff is going to be on my website very soon. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me on my cell phone, 858-231-1837, and we can get you signed up as soon as possible. Until then, happy hair hunting and have a good hair day.